Are you looking to enhance the media quality of your uploaded content on Threads? In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable high-quality uploads and ensure that your media looks at its absolute best. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these two lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Account. And then tap Media Quality. Now you'll see an option called Upload Highest Quality. Upload the best quality media, even if it takes longer. So go ahead and toggle this switch over here to enable this feature. And now all your future uploaded media content will be uploaded in the highest possible quality. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.